At Oasis of Hope, our mission is to support the body's natural ability to heal, using science-based integrative therapies that strengthen the immune system, improve cellular function, and help create an internal environment less supportive of cancer growth. One of the most innovative tools we use to do this is medical ozone therapy. Here at Oasis of Hope, we use 3 advanced forms of ozone therapy, each selected and personalized based on the patient's needs. Eboo, extracorporeal blood oxygenation and ozonation. Ozone Autohemotherapy, Ozonated saline therapy. Each therapy introduces ozone in a different way, ranging from high-volume blood purification, to targeted rain fusion, to gentle IV support. And each plays a unique role in improving oxygenation, reducing inflammation and promoting detoxification. One of our most advanced treatments is Eboo, extracorporeal blood oxygenation and ozonation. Eboo is a high-volume ozone therapy where a patient's blood is gently circulated outside the body, infused with medical-grade oxygen and ozone, filtered and then returned. By processing 150 to 200 milliliters of blood per minute, Eboo delivers a deep detoxification effect, removing waste, pathogens and cellular debris. It also enhances oxygen delivery to tissues and activates antioxidant defenses that help reduce inflammation and regulate immune function. Patients often describe feeling more energized, clearer, and revitalized after their sessions. At Oasis of Hope, Eboo is not used alone. It works alongside our metabolic and immune-strengthening therapies to enhance the body's healing potential. Another ozone-based treatment we offer is Ozone Autohemotherapy. This simple, efficient therapy begins by drawing a small sample of the patient's blood, mixing it with a precise concentration of medical ozone, and rain-fusing it back into the vein. As the ozonated blood re-enters the body, it signals the immune system to activate powerful antioxidant and metabolic pathways. This helps cells produce energy more efficiently, improves oxygen metabolism, supports detoxification, and enhances the body's ability to detect and respond to abnormal cells. Autohemotherapy is quick, safe, and deeply supportive for patients undergoing intensive cancer treatment. For patients who require a non-blood approach, we also offer ozonated saline therapy. Here, medical ozone gas is infused into sterile saline, which is then slowly administered through an IV. As the ozonated saline enters the bloodstream, it triggers a mild and controlled oxidative response. This enhances antioxidant production, supports the immune system, and improves how cells use oxygen, all without removing or rain-fusing blood. While less intensive than Eboo, ozonated saline provides steady, consistent support and is often an ideal therapy for patients starting their oxidative treatments. Whether through Eboo, autohemotherapy, or ozonated saline, ozone-based therapies at Oasis of Hope are carefully integrated into each patient's personalized treatment plan. Our goal is not just to treat illness, but to restore balance, strengthen resilience, and empower the body's natural healing systems. Oasis of Hope Hospital, where compassion meets innovation, and every treatment is designed to bring hope, strength, and healing.